Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find serial number for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. So basically we have only two options how to check it. The first one is to use a box. You need to turn over the box and right here at the bottom we have a SAN, what means serial number. So this one is the first option. The second option is to find this information at the charging case. And right here inside the case, let me zoom it for you. And right here we also have serial number, so this one is the second option. I try to find this information in the application, but there is nothing about serial number. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.